Welcome to this short presentation on the integration of CoolCare with person-centered software. So what is an integration? Well, it's the connection of two or more systems for data transfer. CoolCare is an administration system for care homes. Person-centered software is care planning. Logically, the data that we're looking at transferring would come to CoolCare first and then be transferred through to person-centered software. The types of data we're looking at is the staff data that comes into the system either by CSV upload or by direct entry, and new resident data, again through the inquiry process and then direct entry into the system, or it could alternatively be CSV upload of new residents. This data is put into CoolCare and then can be transferred with a minimum of fuss directly into person-centered software. Here we have CoolCare, and we're looking at a member of staff, Andrea. When the system has been activated to connect between PCS and CoolCare, an orange button appears on all the staff records. By clicking that orange button, we're able to transfer staff data directly from CoolCare into person-centered software by creating a new staff record in PCS and populating it with the following information. So it will transfer over title, forename, surname, sex, date of birth, start date of the employee. It uses email address as a unique reference number, so it's essential that is there. It does not transfer over role, it defaults to owner simply because we don't have role within CoolCare, but it will transfer over into the job, what we would refer to as position in CoolCare. Say the email address is being used as an authentication tool and therefore must be unique. Here we are on the person-centered software view, and we can see that a new member of staff has been automatically created within PCS. There's Andrea, she's just appeared. Notice, of course, that the role is defaulting to owner. We do not have role within CoolCare, so we can't transfer that over. However, within the system, the data has been transferred over as previously mentioned. We use position in CoolCare, and that has updated the job within person-centered software. Notice also that images are not transferred as that's a requirement for security. But we've saved the administrator maybe between 3 to 5 minutes of inputting this information, and all they need to do now is to perhaps change the role, maybe add an image if they have one, and then move on to the next task. Here we have a resident record that we wish to transfer from CoolCare to PCS. Once the link has been established between the two systems, a green button appears on all of the resident records, allowing data transfer, which will create a new record within PCS and transfer the following information: title, forename, surname, sex, date of birth, the resident admission date, NHS number, NI number, and room number. Note that the forename, surname, and date of birth are used as authentication and must be unique. Here we have the resident view within person-centered software, and you can see that a new resident has been added. There's Jill, she's just appeared. It displays the first name and date of birth as standard within PCS. The image is not transferred, again because of the security setting, and the following information is populated into the resident record. In the event that you wish to transfer this data early, so the resident has not been moved in, you may foredate in CoolCare and therefore create the record in PCS so you can do, for example, an assessment, and then you can set the resident record within PCS to suspend so that the occupancy data is maintained across the two systems. If you're using this video to evaluate the integration between CoolCare and person-centered software and have not yet purchased PCS, then you can go through to their website, you can click on book a demo and they'll get in contact. You can ring them, you can speak to your CoolCare representative and we'll perform an introduction. Alternatively, if you have PCS already and are looking to have the link activated, then you can give us a call on the number stated. You can email customer success at CoolCare, or if you're actually using the product, you can click on the product talk chat button and just say, look, I've now got PCS. Can you please activate the link for us? And then the team will get in touch as to exactly how we go about doing that. But the process is extremely simple. To create the connection, it's CoolCare that connects to PCS rather than the other way around. So just get in contact with us and we're happy to help. So that's the integration from CoolCare to person-centered software. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to get in touch. But hopefully you can see that the integration goes a further step on helping us making operating your care home easier, more efficient, and more profitable.